We've recently revamped our entire sales process to the point we no longer have a sales process. What do I mean by that? What we have learned after conducting consumer research and listening to our current customers is essentially our process is unimportant. What is important is your process as a car buyer. We want to train our associates to meet you in and guide you through your process. In fact, we no longer refer to our sales advisors as sales advisors. Instead, we refer to them as guides. We also realized time was important, and most dealerships waste your time with antiquated processes that involve working with a salesperson, a manager, and a finance person. The result is a long, drawn-out process involving multiple people that wastes your time. Your certified guides make it possible to work with the same person from start to finish throughout the process. We've trained them to not only guide you through the vehicle purchasing process, but also to offer protection and maintenance products and finalize all the necessary paperwork. This makes the process much easier and faster, and you have a trusted advocate from start to finish. Car dealerships over the course of many years have established a pattern of distrust with consumers. Our desire is to do just the opposite. We want to be a dealership that you can trust. Our Experience Better process is an important part of how we build that trust. Visit any of our Anderson Auto Group locations today and experience a better vehicle buying process.